Hi, my name's Lucy and I'm from English in a Nutshell. We are going to put on a series of events aimed at improving your communication skills in English. Some of our teachers are native speakers, so you're going to hear a different range of accents. I'm from the UK, but we've got people coming from Australia and the USA. We're not doing a typical classroom. What we're doing is getting you used to just using and speaking in English all day. So if you've got some English skills, but you just don't have the time to practice, this is the perfect opportunity to really get your fluency and your confidence at a higher level. Why are we called English in a Nutshell? Well, in a nutshell, in English, means that we are summarizing something. And in this case, we're summarizing your existing knowledge and letting you feel really comfortable using English in all kinds of scenarios, whether it's in the office or with friends, or if you're going traveling, for example. We look forward to seeing you at one of our full day events, and you can contact us through Instagram or Facebook or on our website. See you soon. Bye.